Best talk tayo na kauban si attorney Resi Rizada. Resi!
Daghang salamat, RJ! Magbuntag mga kapuso ug welcome to Best Talk. Kadugbuntag atong makauban ang kapuso actor ug host ng Taste Buddies, walay lain kundi si Gil Cuerva. Magbuntag Gil and welcome back dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. How have you been?
Maayong buntag. I've been okay. I've been trying to develop new hobbies during this quarantine, during this lockdown. I've been trying to find new things that I could do, discover more about myself. Yeah.
And we're so delighted that ngayon, you and Selen are currently taping new episodes for Taste Buddies. How's your taping experience so far?
It's been great, you know. We've been able to go out of town and, well, at least in my case, we've been able to go out of town. And in Solen's case, she's been handling what's at home. So siya yung bahala sa mga team bahay stuff and what to do at home. In my case, I've loved every bit of it kasi ako naman yung on the field, being able to experience different kinds of activities, adventures, and yeah, I've really been super happy that Taste Buddies is back and I get to tape again for Taste Buddies.
What are some of the notable changes naman that you had to make for the show? Maybe in terms of content ng mga episodes, production process?
Well, the Kapuso viewers will be excited and they'll see more. No? So, I have something called Team Gala and Team Bahay. So, for the past episode or for the next couple of episodes, si Solen, Team Bahay. So she takes care of all the work at home stuff or the stuff that you can do to keep your home tidy because of course a lot of people are at home, di ba? I mean, not a lot of people are going out because it's not safe. So most people are confined inside their homes. And so Solen will take care of that. Will give you useful tips on how to take care of your house or what to do to your home to make it a nice, safe place to work in. While ako naman, or kami naman sa Team Gala, kami naman yung on the field, you know, going out of town, trying to make the most out of the area or trying to give, I guess, a slice of the outside world, as I mentioned earlier, to the Kapuso viewers at home.
What are some of the important things that you've learned naman sa Taste Buddies?
Important things, I guess, and I'm sure the Taste Buddies staff will laugh when they hear this. No? Kasi when I was starting out sa Taste Buddies, I never, or not never naman, pero I wasn't really interacting with the guests. Kasi pag tikiman time, yung segment namin where we just try the food, kain nga ako ng kain eh. So parang I would just eat and eat. Tapos di ko napapansin, oh nga pala may guest pala tayo, no? Maybe you should, as the host, interact with the guest, di ba?
Right.
So ayun.
Parang masyado ka nasarapan dun sa kinakain mo.
Oo, parang masyado akong seryoso sa pagkain. Oh, yan tuloy, nakalimutan mo yung guest. So siyempre, you want to make the guest remember this Taste Buddies experience, di ba? And it's also part of being a good host, being able to interact with your guests. And I think that's something I'm still developing over time, but it's one of the things I really, really learned the most since we started Taste Buddies.
And has Taste Buddies also influenced you to cook for your family at home naman? And if yes, meron ka na bang like favorite dish na iluto para sa pamilya mo?
To be honest, not so much. I really only cook breakfast. And to be honest, pag breakfast, kanya-kanya yung nagluluto. You cook your own breakfast eh.
Sige lang, on time, on the right time siguro.
Yeah, I mean, I'm open to trying new things. You know, my brother's been getting into baking. No, he's been baking. He recently baked cheesecakes. He's been getting into baking other things. He's been baking cinnamon rolls also. So parang I see that as something that I would eventually want to get into. Wala, try ko lang. No? I mean, kasi pagdating sa baking, it's more precision. You just follow the instructions, you mix it well, and you know, hopefully it turns out well. Hindi parang kasi yung luto na you kind of, kasi ganun magluto eh. You just eyeballs everything, tansyahan na lang. Ako kasi I think I'm more of a person who can follow instructions more. So, ayun, I want to get into baking eventually.
And now, new episodes are being aired for Taste Buddies. Please invite everyone to watch out for new exciting episodes.
Mga Kapuso, Sauce and I have brand new episodes for you guys at Taste Buddies. You can catch that every Saturday, 8:45 p.m. on GMA News TV.
Thank you very much, Gil. It was so fun to talk to you this morning. Daghang kayong salamat for your time.
Thank you very much.
And that was Gil Cuerva, mga kapuso. Tutok lang kay mo balik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.